So I belong to Amar, and which is also under the umbrella of Kuki. And what I would like to say, what I have seen here and how I have seen from outside, that because of all this ethnic cleansing, our heart has been crying and we have been broken, and we really wanted to come here and be with our people. And when I came here, I see that breaks my heart is that my people are dividing, that I can see, that they are all thinking about themselves, not talking about the unity or being a unity. And what I want all my people to know is that we should be born again in two things. One is through Jesus, that we should be born again, and we should be born again in our history. We have to know who we are, what we are, that we are Kuki. Under the Kuki umbrella, we can be a lot. We can be Mar, Mizo, Paite, Waipe, and all the other tribes that we have. As long as we are from Manipur, and we are not Naga, and we are tribal, that means we are Kuki. In Burma, they call us Chin, and in Manipur, they call us Kuki, and that's how they call us. That they kill us. They know our history so well, that's why they kill us as a Kuki, and we should remember that. So the same thing, and please be unity. That's what I wanted to give a message to everybody.